Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I am going to share with you OnceHub calendar listener code with you. And I will also show you how to set up the tracking to track the OnceHub calendar submission using Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. And before we start, I am notifying you if you are not a technical guy and want to set up your proper metapixel conversion API, Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Analytics and server-side tracking, you can feel free to reach out me. Okay, so let's get started the tracking for OnceHub. So first, you need to open your Google Tag Manager if you have a Google Tag Manager container. If you don't have, you need to create one. Then next step is you need to install Google Tag Manager in your website. Okay, and here is the page where is OnceHub calendar is used as an iframe. Okay, as you know, OnceHub provide calendar. So this calendar, this is the iframe. If I click on the right click from this calendar, here you can see, I can see view frame source. That means it's an iframe. Or if I click on the outside of the form, here you can see there is no view frame source option. That means it's clear. Here is the iframe and here is the iframe URL. If I go on this page, I will able to see the calendar. Let me show you guys. Okay, here you can see this is the calendar. This calendar actually embedded on this page. Okay, now we need the listener code I have already installed the Google Tag Manager. Now I open the Google Tag Manager and need to select tag, then new. Then we have to select a tag type, which should be custom HTML, because here now I will use listener code. So here, let me go on the page. This is the page. From here, you will get the listener code. That page link I will share in the description on this video. Okay. Now I copy this code and go back on Google Tag Manager again. And here I paste the code. Okay. And here I select all page trigger. Now we have to name it. We can name it anything we want. So I name it here. Now, if I click on the preview, now the tag assistant is open. Now let me copy the page link where I have the OnceHub calendar, then connect. Here you can see Google Tag Manager is connected on this page. Now this is the iframe. Now let me select the date, time. Here I put some test information and test and done. Okay. Finally, it's done. Here, if I come on the tag assistant, here I can see there is a data layer post, OnceHub booking complete. Okay, this is the event name. So make sure whenever you are creating, want to create trigger, that means condition with this data layer, you have to copy the exact event name as here. Okay, otherwise the condition will be not work. Okay, so here I copy the event name and go back on Google Tag Manager and I will create trigger to send this data to Facebook or any other platform like Google Ads and Google Analytics. So let me show you one platform. Here I created trigger, then tag. I have already tag created for Meta, so I will just duplicate it, copy, schedule. Now here we will change the trigger to OnceHub booking complete. Okay, and from the data layer we will also get the customer name, customer email and phone number. Okay, so that we need to send with the advanced matching tracking and customer information as a customer information. Okay. Alright, so this is done for metapixel. Now let's have a preview and let me show you. This way also you can create like Google Analytics deck. Let me also create the Google Analytics deck so you will understand. If you are not a technical guy, you will not understand a lot of things that are technical word. So if you need any help, you can reach out to me. I will definitely help you. Okay. I name it. Trigger is done. And here you can say I have used a lot of parameter. That parameter you need to add from your end. Okay. Now let's have a preview. Okay, here I select time, date, and let me enter the data, then done. Okay, now the form is submitted. Here you can see this is the event we got, and when we get this event, the schedule event is fired. Okay, this is the Google Analytics one. It's fired, and this is the meta pixel. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the overall setup. If I see from the metapixel helper, oh, that was fired on this page. So it will not show in the metapixel helper, but from here we can make sure the schedule event is working. Okay. All right. If you need to know anything else, you can comment on the comment box. And yeah, this is the overall video. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye guys.